Hello Car Club family. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated bikes of 2024, the Hero Super Splendor Xtec 125. It's a perfect blend of style, technology, and efficiency. So let's find out if it's really worth the hype. The Super Splendor has always been known for its practicality and performance in the 125cc segment, but this time Hero has added a modern touch with the Xtec model. Let's check out what makes it special. The big highlight of the Xtec is the technology. It's equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster that provides real-time mileage info, Bluetooth connectivity for call and SMS alerts, and a USB charging port. These features make it ideal for young riders who love staying connected. Under the hood, the Super Splendor Xtec is powered by a 124.7cc BS6 engine that produces 10.7 bhp and 10.6 Nm of torque. The engine is smooth, refined, and delivers a fuel-efficient performance perfect for city commuting. Plus, it has Hero's patented i3S technology, which automatically turns off the engine during idling, helping save fuel. Hero has ensured that comfort isn't compromised. The bike comes with a spacious and well-padded seat, making long rides easier. The telescopic front suspension and 5-step adjustable rear suspension help absorb shocks on rough roads, giving a smooth and comfortable ride. When it comes to safety, Hero has included a side stand cutoff sensor and combined braking system CBS, which offers better control during sudden stops. This feature is crucial for daily commutes, especially in busy city traffic. So, what do you think about the new 2024 Hero Super Splendor Xtec 125? It's a stylish, feature-packed commuter with excellent mileage and a comfortable ride. If you're looking for a reliable bike with modern tech, this one is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Xtec. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more bike reviews. See you in the next video. Keep riding and stay safe.